up. We are going to be checking out this good little generator. Looks pretty small. We picked up from Amazon. We're going to open it up and see what it's about. We ordered this off of Amazon about a week ago. And I ordered it for 3 reasons. The first reason, cheap, 200 bucks. Second reason, light. And the third reason, it is able to charge a car battery and run electrical things. So, let's get this dude out of the box. It's wrapped up. Directions. Can't get it open. Alright. We'll have to cut the box open to get it out. To get it out of this bag here. I've got a little funnel comes with it. And looks like a spark plug wrench, a screwdriver, and the battery charging cable. They wrapped this thing up good. Alright, let's have a look at this thing. On, off, the battery charging, the 120 outlets, a fuse and a fuse, pull start, the choke right here, the gas on and off, filled up with gas and oil. We took it outside and done that, but we didn't stay outside to run it because it's only about 20 degrees out there and it's quite cold, so we're going to try to start it up for the first time. We're going to turn the gas on, turn it over here, turn the engine on. There we go. Starts right up if you can find the choke. So we found the choke, we got it to work. I'm going to get a saw and fire it up and see how it does, because I'm always out using a saw and stuff around the farm. But overall, it looks like a dandy little generator to have. It's portable to use, easy for one person to carry around. So I think it's about 50 pounds, somewhere in there. It's 1500 surge watts and 1200 running watts. So it should run about any little saw or something like that you just want to have, or small appliances and things like that. So I got a pretty good sized circular saw here. We are going to fire this thing up and see how it runs the saw. Not very good. So we'll try it again. So, for right now, I don't know if it's going to run my saw. Now I'm going to plug in my sweeper here and see if it'll run my sweeper. So, on the scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7, mostly for looks and appearances and lightweight. When it says 1200 watts, that's about all it'll run, because my bigger saw is 1300 and it kills the engine after a little while. So it won't run 1300 running watts if your saw is running. But overall, nice. The appearance is great. But tell me what you think. If you'd like to see more videos like these, and please like and subscribe down below. And I give it a 7. Mach Marvels generator from Amazon.